In the heart of northeast India, the mighty Brahmaputra winds through Assam, a river that is both lifeline and barrier. Its waters, vast and powerful, have shaped the landscape, culture, and economy of the region. Yet, for centuries, this magnificent river has also posed a challenge, separating communities, hindering trade, and limiting connectivity. Travel between Gohpur on the north bank and Numaligarh on the south bank currently requires a detour of over 240 kilometers, taking more than 6 hours. For residents, businesses, and emergency services alike, this is a bottleneck, one that demands a revolutionary solution. Enter India's boldest engineering initiative in the northeast, the Brahmaputra Underwater Tunnel Project, poised to become the country's first underwater road tunnel and a game-changer in regional infrastructure. The concept is as ambitious as it is visionary. A 15.6-kilometer twin-tube tunnel, lying 32 meters beneath the riverbed, designed to carry 4 lanes of traffic, connecting Gohpur and Numaligarh directly. Imagine reducing a journey of 6 hours to just 30 minutes. Imagine linking remote communities, facilitating trade, boosting tourism, and ensuring rapid defense mobility in a strategically sensitive region. This is what the tunnel promises. Estimated at 14,900 Indian rupees crore, the project is not just about engineering, it is about integration, opportunity, and progress. Constructing a tunnel beneath one of the world's mightiest rivers is no small feat. The project faces immense challenges. Hydrology and geology. The Brahmaputra's sandy riverbed and fluctuating water levels make excavation risky. Specialized tunnel boring machines, TBMs, are required to cut through soil, rock, and silt. Seismic activity. Assam lies in an earthquake-prone zone, demanding advanced seismic design and reinforced structures. Monsoon rains. Torrential rains and flooding during the monsoon season pose construction risks, requiring meticulous planning and contingency measures. Logistics. Moving machinery, materials, and skilled labor to remote sites requires precision coordination, sometimes via helicopters or barges. The design incorporates twin tubes to ensure safety, with one tube serving as a dedicated emergency escape route. Ventilation, lighting, and drainage systems are engineered to international standards. Every meter of this tunnel represents decades of technical expertise and innovation. The Brahmaputra Tunnel is more than a transport project, it is a strategic asset. Defense mobility. Located near India's northeastern borders, the tunnel ensures rapid deployment of forces and equipment, enhancing national security. Disaster management. Floods and landslides are common in Assam. The tunnel provides an all-weather, reliable route for relief operations. Economic integration. By linking northern and southern Assam, and connecting to national highways 52 and 37, the tunnel strengthens trade and logistics corridors to Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and beyond. This dual role, civilian and strategic, underscores the project's significance in national planning and regional development. Any project of this magnitude requires careful attention to the environment. The Brahmaputra Basin is home to unique biodiversity, including Gangetic river dolphins, migratory birds, and endangered species. The project has received clearance from the National Tiger Conservation Authority and includes measures such as silt control and sediment management to protect river ecology, noise and vibration mitigation to minimize impact on aquatic life, waste management protocols to prevent contamination. Balancing development with sustainability is at the heart of this tunnel project, ensuring that progress does not come at the cost of nature. The detailed project report, DPR, has been completed and submitted for final approval from the Union Cabinet. Upon approval, the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited will oversee construction. The timeline is projected as follows: Year 1, preparatory work, site establishment, logistics planning. Year 2 to 4, excavation, tunnel boring, structural lining, and safety installations. Year 5, final commissioning, testing, and integration with highway networks. The project will employ thousands of workers, engineers, and technicians, creating direct and indirect employment and stimulating the regional economy. Once operational, the tunnel will bring transformative benefits. Reduced travel time, from 6 hours to half an hour between Gohpur and Numaligarh. Boost to trade, faster movement of goods will reduce costs and encourage investment. Tourism growth, easier access to Assam's scenic destinations will attract domestic and international tourists. Improved accessibility, healthcare, education, and administrative services become more reachable for remote communities. In essence, the tunnel is more than concrete and steel, it is a conduit for opportunity, growth, and development. The Brahmaputra Tunnel is a pioneering step, but it's also a gateway to a larger vision, integrating the Northeast more fully into India's national infrastructure, enhancing cross-border trade routes with Southeast Asia, laying the groundwork for additional tunnels, bridges, and transport corridors in the region. By 2030, the Northeast could emerge as India's logistics and trade gateway to ASEAN, powered in part by this underwater marvel. The Brahmaputra Tunnel is more than a project. It is a symbol of vision, perseverance, and unity. A testament to what India can achieve when innovation meets necessity. From the turbulent waters of the Brahmaputra to the steel and concrete beneath, this tunnel will connect lives, economies, and dreams. It is a story of engineering courage, environmental stewardship, and strategic foresight, a story that deserves to be told. This is the Build Chronicle. Exploring the projects that build India's future. If you were inspired by this journey beneath the Brahmaputra, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the stories of India's most ambitious infrastructure projects.